Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. If today is your first time coming across this video, kindly subscribe to the channel if you are new, and then put on a notification bell so that anytime I post out an amazing content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. Sorry, it's been a while I posted here. Just been a bit busy. So okay, today's strategy is very unique. So I will want you to pay attention and make sure that you watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any part. Is that clear, guys? Make sure you don't miss any parts of this video. Now in today's strategy, we're going to be using trend, and at the same time we'll be talking about volume, because some of you who are new to trading, you don't also know that sometimes your trend, especially the higher time frame trend, can be different from what you have in your lower time frame. There are instances whereby your lower time frame will tell you price is bullish, and when you check the higher time frame, definitely price is bearish. That means on a downtrend. So it becomes very difficult for you to identify how you can take your entry, because using the mobile phone you are limited to so many information, most especially if you are new. That is why I keep telling those of you who have the resources in place that you get probably a laptop, and then you get an advanced strategy that is going to give you consistent earning. All right, always remember that when you're using a mobile phone, you are scalping the market, so you don't hold trade for too long. That is, you don't, so that you don't lose your account in general, or probably the little profit you make, you don't lose it. Except you are familiar with fundamental analysis, you understand much about the trend, then you can hold trade for a bit longer, depending on where you expect price to reverse. So that being said, let's dive into today's strategy. In the main chart, we have just 3 indicators, then we have 2 windows, that is window 1 and window 2. So in the main chart, you notice there's a black line. We use that black line to track areas where price is, if price is making higher high or probably ranging. That's in the higher time frame. Then the second indicator, which is the brown one, is a trend line. It tells us when price has broken out and it has started making higher highs. So what you notice is it start bouncing price upward. So when price break it, definitely we'll be expecting either a mini pullback or a total change in price. Now this is what I mean. When you look at this point here, you notice that price crossed, like means the brown line crossed the envelope line, which is acting as trend line also. Immediately price crossed it, the brown line was to one holding price all the way up. You can see it. So at a point price retest it or touch it, then what next? It keep pushing up. But at this point, we also noticed again that price broke out of the brown line, indicating that definitely price is making a pullback or price is trying to change totally. So the function of the brown line is it serves as trend line for price. That means immediately it crosses above the envelope, it now stands as trend line, whereby holding price either bullish or bearish depending on the direction. But when price breaks below it, then two things are involved. Is either price is trying to make a change of character from bullish to bearish, or probably price is just making a pullback. So whichever case it is, it depends on your area of exit. If you are satisfied with the profit made, you can exit. Now we can't only depend on these 2 indicators or 3 indicators in the main chart. When you check the window 1, we have other setup there. This red line is the moving average 50, which we are using as trend, while this line here is acting as volume. So in a nutshell, when the volume is above 50, we anticipate for price to cross above the envelope line. So we'll be expecting price to go bullish. And when the volume is below 50, we also hope to see price move bearish. So that is how we use the window 1 setup. Now coming to the window 2, we have other indicators there. We have the RSI and the CCI. Now the RSI is staged to be only for level 50. So when we have this setup we had here, for full confirmation, we'll check at what level our RSI is. If our RSI is above 50, RSI is the red line. The red line you can see there. Let me zoom out a bit. Probably you should be able to see this red line is the RSI line. So this blue line is the RSI itself, and the line is the level 50 for the RSI. So when RSI is above it, then we know that there's more pressure for up move. So in a nutshell, it means that the confirmation we have in our window 1 and the window 2, which is the RSI, is what is accurate. So we combine this information to decide our entry. So we are not only depending on this cross here. So we want to see, is there volume for up move? If there's volume for up move, then we want to see the OBV, which is unbalanced volume, above level 50. And if there's no volume, you'll be seeing it below level 50. In addition to that, again, we want to see the level at which our RSI is operating. Is it below level 50 or above level 50? So at this point, our RSI was above level 50. Then the last indicator, which is the CCI. So we want to see if the CCI is above positive 50 or below positive 50, negative 50. So the CCI is the owner of these brown lines that you can see here. This brown line, the first one is minus 50, okay, minus 50 and 0. So if price is above minus 50, it means probably price is above, prices tend to move upward. And if price is below it, then we know that there is no pressure for down. So when you combine these three setup all together, you'll be able to make a proper decision with it on any time frame. But remember, you are scalping. Is that clear? Remember, you are scalping. So you'll be able to make any decision on this on any time frame, either to go for buy or you go for sell. This strategy works very well, but you need time to practice it since you are using a mobile phone. Because on the system form, because we have the setup for the system, yeah, probably it's for those guys who subscribe to the millionaire strategy. When I'm done with the whole stuff, I will just send it across to them. So if you've not gotten your own, you are the one probably missing. So if you go to my videos, you watch it, though I've updated it and I've not made video on the update version. And please be careful, if anyone should inbox you or probably chat you via the comment section, kindly ignore. So these are the reasons why I'm here to open a Telegram channel, because I know majority of the people you meet online, majority of them have bad motive. So please be careful. If you have any question or probably want to get information about the millionaire strategy, which you can use on your mobile system, on your laptop, and you can also use it on your mobile system if you have a VPS. So you can chat me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is always on my description below. And if you have questions or probably you want to get more details, then don't hesitate to chat me up directly. So this strategy, I have the system, the software lab, this the software strategy setup. So probably when I'm done, like I said, I will forward it to those who have purchased the millionaire strategy initially, just to keep the earning consistent. That is all, nothing more. So this is the strategy. So let me show you the settings probably for all these indicators. Now to do the settings, you have to click on this icon here to take you to where the indicators are. So when you click on this icon, the first on the main chart we have moving average. The moving average period 1 exponential, that is it. Then the second one is moving average 21 exponential also, which is the brown color. You can see you can use any color of your choice in as much as. Then the envelope has a period of 10 period of 50 shift 10. Then the deviation is 0.012. Apply to smoothed. Then we have the upper and the lower band. Then in the window 1, for you to get this window 1, you have to click on the main chart here. When you click on the main chart, look for this indicator called the unbalanced volume. So when you click on it, you don't have anything to do. You can only change the color. You leave it the way it is, and immediately you are through. To add moving average 50, you click on this. So you add moving average 50, method simple, apply to close, then you click on save. So then the window 2, now we have the RSI. The RSI has a period of 50, then level is 50. We just want to do with the levels alone, nothing more. That is all. Then the CCI, also period of 50, then you can use level minus 50 or plus 50. You can use minus 50 and plus 50, but once price is above minus 50, then it indicates momentum for up. Then when it's below 50, it also indicates momentum for down. Is that clear, guys? So that is all. You can see it. So I'm using that of the system. It aligns with this one, but the information on the system own is different, because there are sometimes we have price can be above 50 moving average. That means in the volume can be above 50 moving average, while the RSI can be below 50, the CCI can also be below 50. So there is a bit different, but when you use this one, definitely you'll be able to scalp with it. The difference with this one and the system on is, though there's difference, but the difference is just a bit little. So if you focus on this, you can definitely make proper adjustment. Then if you're interested in that of the system on, you can also let me know, because anyone who get the millionaire strategy in the first place, all I do is updates for them. Whenever I update the system, then I will also pass across, then tell them how to use it. Probably if they prefer the old one, they can continue. If they prefer the new one, it all depends. But the idea is they keep making consistent earning. That is just the difference. So if you're interested and you want to make consistent earning like them, then don't hesitate to get yours. My number is in the description below. Just chat me up, then we'll talk on that. So some of you might be saying, okay, what is the proof? Look at it. I just, despite that I was not that much chanced, so these are some trades I picked today with it. So, and there are some still running currently. I have a trade in volatility 75 also. It works for both currency pair, doesn't matter